The Afrikaner always contributed, whether you like it or not. They were part of those we say we respect, who worked to build and develop our country.
Shout out Hendrik Verwoerd, shout out Jean Forster, shout out P.W. Botha, shout out Peter Groenewald. South Africa, our land.
Yeah, South Africa first with Rady McCatso. Hey, for the people.
I hate Krikamba. I hate Kwara. I hate Zai Zai.
How many videos about Meneer Peter Groenewald are we going to make? More. We want more. Ladies and gentlemen, let us get right into it.
The ANC's Freedom Charter goes even further, saying, belongs to all who live in it, black and white. Now, Honourable Speaker, I want to put it very clearly that the Afrikaner is part of that diversity. And we want to build South Africa. En laat ons met mekaar eerlik wees. President Trump het die kolle geplaas op die Afrikaner in Suid-Afrika. Ek sê vir hom dankie, want ons is deel van Suid-Afrika. En ja, as daar mense is wat die land wil verlaat, dis hulle vrye keuse. Die Vryheidsfront Plus sal nie voorskrifklik wees nie. Maar agbare president, ek is hier om te bly. We are here to restore and rebuild. And if we want to solve the problems of South Africa, we must also look into the inconvenient truth of what is happening in South Africa. And part of that is land reform. In my limited time, I will focus on that. And it brings me to the Expropriation Act. And I want to put it very clearly that it is not true that expropriation without compensation will solve the land issue. What are the facts? If you go and look at the annual reports of the department, and if you look at the restitution,
they are pissed. Did you see them? Oh, Lord. Oh, they pissed all of them.
Of the department, and if you look at the restitution, there were about 80,000 claims in terms of the restitution to address the unjust of the 1913 Land Acts. Of those claimants, 94%, and it's in the annual report, didn't want the land, they wanted the compensation.
It's true, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, we're always talking about this on this channel. Most people don't want the land, they want jobs or money. That's it.
If we go to land redistribution, it is in the annual reports that 80% of the projects were failures. So to say that expropriation without compensation will solve the land issue and land reform is just not true.
Facts.
But what is happening in South Africa? And if I give you these examples of what is happening, we must remember one thing, that with social media, everything you put, whether it's on X or Facebook or whatever platform, it is for the world to see. And I want to refer specifically to the illegal, can I say, the invasion and occupation of land. The Olivenhoutbosch was one example, where people just illegally invade the land. I want to give you another example. There is a farmer farming near Wepener, and there came a farmer with his cattle. He cut the fences, and he is occupying that land. He went to the police.
Order, Honorable Groenewald, can you take your seat?
Why are they being rude, bro? Why are they being rude?
Honorable members, we can converse
They can't stand to hear the truth, right?
without drowning the speaker. We can hurdle again without drowning the speaker or using our hands to make our statements. I would really appeal that we allow the speaker to present his statement. Honorable Groenewald, you can proceed.
He went to the police asking protection, but they refused. As we speak now, there is illegal land occupation at Stilfontein. There's a court order instructing the police to prevent it, but they do nothing. And that's the problem. If the police does not act, they're part of the executive. And then it can be said, but you are complicit to this illegal land evasion and occupation. Therefore,
I'm gonna bring Peter to speed with the South African Police Service. Man, it's been captured by a mafia. I mean, even the farms, they are there. These people already making the money, so it's like they don't care. They don't care about none of that. So at least you know that now. Shout out to you, Peter.
Honorable President, if we talk and we say we want to solve the problems, these issues must be addressed. The Afrikaner always contributed, whether you like it or not. They were part of those we say we respect, who worked to build and develop our country.
Shout out Hendrik Verwoerd. Shout out Jean Forster. Shout out P.W. Botha. Shout out Peter Groenewald. South Africa, our land. I love that we have Section 16 of the South African Constitution protecting us with free speech. We are free to say this, what we're saying right now. Ain't nobody can touch us. We know the law. We some educated black men.
We can only succeed to ensure that we are successful if we address our problems and we look each other in the eye and put the inconvenient truth on the table. We must ensure that we make South Africa so prosperous that people don't want to leave South Africa to go to other countries.
Amen.
But then, ons moet dan vir mekaar sê, erken die regte van die Afrikaner. Ons wil hard werk om 'n toekoms te skep vir onsself, vir ons kinders
Order,
en die
honorable
toekoms
member, your time is up.
vir almal in Suid-Afrika. I thank you.
Honorable Chauke.
Vir ons toekoms en vir almal in Suid-Afrika. Ladies and gentlemen. Are you not, I mean, you hear that? Are you not like, you know what? I think this guy can be president of South Africa, and if he was to become president, he would be an amazing head of state. That's what we want. Credible men and women in South Africa standing up and fighting for this country. And I'm not promoting Meneer Peter Groenewald because he's white. There's so many other people in South Africa who are white who don't get to get my promotion. But Meneer Peter Groenewald is up there with Abo Jacinta, Abo Mr. Mkhwanazi. You know? Shout out to Mr. Mkhwanazi, man. All the way up there in the KZN, taking care of crime in that particular part of the world where we understand that majority of the drugs, you know, get imported into South Africa through the ports, of course, in the KZN, ladies and gentlemen. We love him. And we don't love him just because he's black, but because he's great at what he does. And I extend that same courtesy to Dr. Meneer Peter Groenewald. You know, I'm sick and tired of the criminal and the thieving politicians, you know, trying to portray themselves to be loving the people of South Africa whilst they hate us and they love illegal immigrants. Meneer Peter Groenewald for president, ladies and gentlemen. How many more videos am I gonna make of Meneer Peter Groenewald? More. We the people see the truth, hear the truth, and we spread nothing but the truth. I'm out of here.
Yeah!
hate Kirkamba. I hate Kwara Kwara. I hate Zai Zai.